IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores.
Are you a tidy person?
Band 5 answer.
I try to be tidy, but sometimes my things are a little messy. I clean my room when it gets too dirty, but I don't always do it every day.
Why is this a band 5?
Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, pauses likely. Basic linking. Lexical resource. Common vocabulary. Limited range. Clean, messy. Grammar, mostly simple tenses. Errors possible. Pronunciation. Generally understandable. Typical of Band 5. Communicates but lacks range and control.
7.5 answer.
Yes, I'm generally a tidy person. I like keeping my space organized because it helps me stay focused. Of course, when I'm busy, my desk gets a bit cluttered, but I make sure to tidy it up at the end of the day.
Why is this a band 7.5?
Fluency and coherence. Smooth delivery, clear progression. Lexical resource, good range. Organized, cluttered, tidy up. In grammar. Mostly complex structures with strong accuracy. Pronunciation, clear and natural, minor lapses possible. Typical of Band 7.5, strong control with occasional imperfections.
Band 9 answer.
Absolutely. I'm very particular about cleanliness and organization, both at home and at work. I believe a tidy environment reduces stress and boosts productivity, so I make a conscious effort to maintain order throughout the day rather than letting things pile up.
Why is this a band 9?
Fluency and coherence, effortless, fully developed ideas. Lexical resource, sophisticated range. Particular, maintain order, pile up. Grammar, accurate, flexible, natural complexity. Pronunciation, fully natural, easy comprehension. Typical of Band 9, controlled, natural, precise, and nuanced.
Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.